Hello everyone. Confused as to what your next ATX case should be? Look no further. This video will rank the best 3 smallest ATX cases for compact PC builds based on affordability, performance, and the manufacturer's reputation to put an end to your woes and ensure that you buy a graphics card that gives you great value for money. Make sure to check out the product links in the description. Number 3. Cooler Master HAF XB EVO. In a couple of minutes, a case may be turned into a test bench for hobbyists and overclockers. The front of the case features tremendous airflow thanks to 2 robust trifle fans, one of which can hold an additional 240mm radiator. Supports high-end VGA cards with a length of 334mm and Tower CPU coolers with a height of 180mm. Removable hard disk cages allow for up to 4 hard drives or solid-state drives, HDDs or SSDs. In order to replace UT components, the motherboard tray can be removed from the motherboard. Number 2. Cooler MasterBox Q 500 liters. At just 386 by 381mm in depth and height, the MasterBox Q 500 liters is the world's thinnest ATX motherboard case. The entire chassis is perforated for ventilation, including the top, front, back, and bottom panels. There are 6 different places on the chassis where the I/O panel can be moved. The I/O can be accessed from either the top or bottom of the casing. Thus, interior space may be utilized to the most and PSU placement options can be expanded. Number 1. NZXT H510. Tempered glass side panel and front I/O with a USB Type-C port are among the features. Wiring is made easier by our one-of-a-kind cable routing system, which includes grooves and straps that are pre-installed. The front panel and PSU intakes have replaceable filters and a removable mount that can handle radiators up to 220mm in diameter. Support for the following motherboards: Mini ITX, Micro ATX, and ATX. Thanks for watching our video. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check them out. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel for more product reviews.